Hello, my name is Ana Paola Martinez. I'm a student of Business Management Engineering at Instituto Tecnológico de Saltillo. Last semester, I cursed my level 5 of English at idioms here also at the Institute. I like a lot my semester because we work into different parts. The first part, it was a presential class. We were working in our platform Off2Class, and we were able to make a lot of homeworks, lessons, and activities in the platform. My second part of the semester was an online class, and I like it because we were also working on our Off2Class platform. We were able to be in contact all the time with our teachers, thanks for the platform, and we were also able to make our lessons like on a real time, and we can answer the lessons there and send our homeworks. So that is why I like a lot the platform Off2Class. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Carlos Adrián Loyola Guzmán. I teach English at Instituto Tecnológico de Saltillo, that is located in Coahuila, Mexico. I'm also one of the teacher coordinators that it has. And, well, in the beginning of this year, we started using a platform that is called Off2Class. And it's great. It has a lot of functions. It has all of the material I need. And, well, COVID-19 happened this year. And it has helped me a lot to keep providing quality classes without wasting my time in preparing all of the material. And I'm pretty sure that I would have been very stressed, obviously preparing all of my lessons, but also like assuring that my students receive and that they have access to their lessons and their homeworks. So as COVID-19 happened and we had to move to online classes, it has been very helpful as a teacher. As a teacher coordinator, it has also been one of our main tools to keep track of the rest of the teachers, because we can see their connections and their lesson progress, and we can also see the attention they provide to the rest of the students. So yes, overall, Off2Class has been a lifesaver, and I recommend it to any other institute that provides English classes.
Hello, I'm teacher Grace from Mexico. I work for Tech Saltillo as an English teacher and also as a teacher's coordinator. I want to share my personal experience with the platform Off2Class. As you may know, with COVID-19, things have been difficult. In the Language Center, our priority is our students, and with Off2Class, we were prepared. You can always be in contact with your students. Every unit is an interactive presentation where the student can actively participate. It has more than 100 different lessons to develop different skills. It also has tools that help me keep track of the teachers so I can help them improve their classes, as well as give extra support if the students need it. Off2Class is an excellent resource for any English class.
Hola, yo soy Maritere Perales y estoy a cargo de la coordinación de lenguas extranjeras en el Tecnológico Nacional de México, Campus Saltillo, mejor conocido como Tec Saltillo. Cuando inicialmente contactamos a Off2Class a través del Consulado General de Canadá en Monterrey, nosotros buscábamos una herramienta que nos permitiera cumplir 3 objetivos principales. El primero era poder estandarizar a lo largo de todos los niveles y en todos los grupos el contenido de cada una de las clases y la presentación que estas clases tenían. En segundo término, necesitábamos cumplir con los requerimientos que nos pide el Tecnológico Nacional de México para todas sus coordinaciones de lenguas extranjeras. Y en tercer lugar, necesitábamos que nos permitiera actualizar el contenido de forma sencilla y hacer modificaciones de acuerdo al perfil de nuestros alumnos. Entonces, bueno, pues quién diría que después de solo unos meses, Off2Class se volvería no solo nos ayudaría a cumplir estos objetivos, sino que se volvería un factor clave para lograr asegurar la continuidad de nuestras clases una vez que se dio esta pandemia del COVID-19. Porque literalmente nos permitió migrar de un día para otro todas las clases presenciales que estábamos ofreciendo a clases en línea. Y esto hizo que los profesores pudieran dedicar su tiempo a atender a los alumnos y a estructurar sus clases en plataformas electrónicas en lugar de estar migrando todo el material que tenían presencial o físico más bien a electrónico. Y pues a los alumnos les permitió seguir recibiendo sus tareas, sus retroalimentaciones en tiempo y forma sin ningún problema. A nosotros como administración, por otro lado, nos permitió seguir monitoreando el desempeño de los profesores, el contenido de las clases, la participación de los alumnos, y esto pues hizo que pudiéramos terminar el periodo académico en tiempo y que ahora estemos iniciando el periodo de verano con excelentes resultados.